do you guys work with insurance as well as non-insured clients?
Primarily, our clients are non-insured because wage and hour claims have been exempted from coverage for over 15 years now. There are certain circumstances where your employment practices liability insurance, that's EPLI, may provide some costs to defend you in those lawsuits, but they don't pay for settlement dollars. And the reason for that is because the state of California deems those to be intentional or willful actions for failing to comply with the law. And so at the end of the day, I rarely work with insurance companies. However, in claims of discrimination, harassment, retaliation, wrongful termination, we handle those claims all the time. And many times when there is an insurance policy to back it up, what we do is we negotiate with the insurance company on behalf of our clients. We resume and maintain a position as lead counsel, and we defend, and then the insurance company picks up the bill for that above the deductible.
As I understand it too, if there is insurance, it doesn't cover everything. So you need to have specific items added on, right?
That is correct. And candidly, one of the most important things when we start talking about insurance, Mason, is the fact that your insurance company is going to say, show us your policies and procedures. We want to make sure you're legitimately trying to follow the rules. Because if you don't have those policies and procedures in place, the insurance companies many times will come back and say, well, you didn't do even the preliminary steps to protect yourself, so we're not going to protect you now. So making sure you have those policies and procedures and an insurance policy are essential best practices.
So even if you have insurance, the best practice is preventive.
100%.
Set everything up so everything's kosher, nothing gets through. Okay.
Yeah. And then quite candidly, as I said earlier, those policies, they're great. They're fantastic, but sometimes they're not worth the paper they're written on, because if your management team, your leadership team isn't enforcing those policies, isn't actually backing them up, you're not doing discipline in a consistent manner when people are violating your policies, that's where employers get in the most trouble.